All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning weekly analysis. Today we are going to dive into the gold asset one more time, and then we're going to take it to the core. All right. We're going to look at a lot of things about gold. A lot. Last week I drew this wonderful structures for you. I drew these wonderful structures. One, two, three, four, five structure. All right. Now let's go into the details of it. Let's go into the details of it. If today is your first time coming here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. All right. So let's get it going. Let me make few corrections or few adjustments to the analysis I made last week. So last week, this part I said that it's an ABC correction, and that is our wave 4, and price have to start going to the upside. All right. Yes, price went to the upside, but we're going to make a little adjustment to it. Okay, that is why I put in these trend lines. So we actually made a 3 again, and then we made a 5. All right, we made a sharp 5 like this, something like that, and then we went to the upside. Then this will give us an expanded flat, higher degree with A, higher degree with B, and this with C. So this actually becomes an expanded flat. So then we made that adjustment to the wave count. So this is with A, that is with B, and these are with C, and that's perfectly correct. Price went all the way from there to complete the cycle. All right. At this point, we are inside this nice zone, okay? But it looks like we're going to have a little correction. All right, so that's basically it. It looks like we have a little correction. And I have also changed this huge box because this box is directly this one, this red one. All right, is directly this red one, this very red one. Okay, so that's that box. This box is the one which is here. All right, so now it means that I have to clear out this very one. We don't need it. And since this is the direct correction, undo, we just use the top, okay, the top side, and then we use to create the new zone. That is why I'm taking this one out because we don't need it, right? All right, guys, so if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right, Max Jr. says, hello, brother. Ivan says, good morning, Doc. More strength and wisdom for fireworks. Good morning. Goodness says, good morning. Aiken says, good morning. Um, Godson says, good morning, Doc. Good morning to you all, guys. If you are just coming in, please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and then hit that bell notification so that whenever I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right, I'll take this opportunity also to talk about our ongoing contest. Our ongoing contest. So, with the ongoing contest, what all you have to do is that go to the channel and go to the referral board, generate your own link, all right, and start sharing. Who knows, you're going to be the lucky winner of that $500. All right, good. And secondly, Benjamin says, good morning, our end time oracle. All right. And secondly, not to forget, guys, once we reach the 100k, 1k mark, a lot of activities is going to come into the channel. All right, a lot of activities is going to come into the channel. We're going to have the 13 Pro, which I promised beginning of the year. All right, I promised a 13 Pro. Okay, some of you will be saying, Doc, why don't you upgrade it to 15 Pro? No, I promised you something and I will deliver. All right, so 13 Pro is promised already, and every milestone that we achieve, there's going to be a promo, there's going to be a giveaway, there's going to be a lot of activities. And once we reach the 1K also, guys, don't forget, once we reach the 1K also, we are going to have um how do you call it, we are going to have, oh my god, this indicator is really really crazy. Let me keep it here for those of you who have not seen it before as I keep talking. All right, so the indicator already have given so much cells, and they work perfectly fine, so we get this cell, and that is our nice zone price. Have been in the zone. So the sell actually worked perfectly. We had a buy, which the other indicator was telling us not to look into that buy, but that one even triggered TP1, and we did a downpour. We have these ones which also did a downpour. We have this current one which also did another downpour. This great indicator, very very good, excellent non-reprint, and a very very good indicator, right? Good. So guys, yeah, now we are in the zone. The zone we drew, that was last week. Let me draw it. Let me put it here again. So the zone we drew, price is now coming off that zone. Price is coming off that zone. All right. But gold looks like it is not done with its buy move. Ebenezer says, good morning. God bless you, Dr. Muller. Henry says, good morning, Doc. Blues. Haha. All right, guys. So if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's go. Now we are going to go into the details of our analysis, the details of it. We're going to start from the higher time frame as we normally do. All right. So we have this Elliott wave suggestion from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 higher degree with 1, and then ABC with 2, and then we start all these things in with 3. All right, we started all these things in with 3. Okay, but we're not going to talk about all of these things. We're just going to talk about this part. All right, so like I told you last week, guys, we have two alternatives that to play out this week. We have two alternatives. One, we have this triangle which is A, B, C, D, E, and then these have started the move. Then we're going to get a correction. We move back and we continue. Then that is going to complete this degree with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, like this degree, this red one. So we're going to complete that one. All right, that's the degree we're going to complete. And once we are done with that degree, then we will look at this degree, okay, the blue one. All right, but for now, never say never. I told you guys we have two patterns, and now it appears like one is playing out. All right, but all the same, we have to keep our heads up, look over our shoulders all the time. Okay, so what are we going to do? I told you guys also, let's go into the small time frame. So this looks like a triangle. So once it is dropping, we may have a retest and probably going to go to the upside. All right, and that is going to be with 1, with 2 like this, and then with 3, then we'll start going to the upside. All right, if that is not the case, we're going to the other side. We said that this then can be this move, a move like this, which I think it's in the 1 hour. Did I remove it? I guess I have removed it. So let me put it back shortly. Good. So I drew this and I told you guys when we get here, we have to keep watching our shoulders because price is likely to do this and start going down. All right. It will just start going down like that. Okay. So that will become A, B, C like this. And I drew it last week and I told you price can do this. All right. Or because we have a big triangle as well, now the structure may change slightly and do like this and start going back up. So one thing we are sure about now is that there's going to be a sell which has also started happening. All right, there's going to be a sell which has started happening. So what we are going to do now is that we're going to trade every correction. So once you pause, you see a correction like this, you sell. It's impulse, you see a correction like this, you sell. All right, until they will change the direction. They will make impulse correction like this, then we will start buying. So for now, we are going to trade the pieces of the market, and if they give us that kind of correction we're looking for like this, then we know we are in the buy move. All right, so for now we have two scenarios in our heads and we are not going to back down on any of those scenarios. We're just going to watch them, watch our shoulders, trade accordingly, use proper risk to reward or risk management, and then make more money this week as well. All right. Anyways, as usual, if you think gold and this trade just hit TP2 of the new indicator perfectly, superb. The indicator is so crazy, very, very crazy. So that is it. Arrow came, price started dropping, TP1 triggered, TP2 triggered, and it's going down. All right, good. So guys, now let's watch it. Let's watch. Let's watch. We would watch. That's all that we'll be doing. We'll be watching. Okay, we'll be watching. All right, so guys, this is what we are going to do, and we're going to go into the small time frame. I've spent a lot of time already. So they started dropping like water. All right, so what are you going to do? All we would be doing is look for corrections, sell, corrections, sell. And this is where the the MolarGold indicator makes it very, very easy for you to trade because it gives you entries on all of these positions in the right direction. All right, guys. Yeah. If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that if I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right. At this point, I'm going to go over the last move. So now we are in the small time frame. We also know that the price can go down, do ABC correction like this, and started going back up. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a down. So you trade in the down direction, in the down direction, in the down direction. You keep trading in the down direction. All right. That's all you'll be doing. Okay. That's all you'll be doing until market would impulse and then start doing corrections like that, and then we're going to go to the upside. All right, so we have all these alternatives in our heads or in our minds, and we are going to go according with that. All right, so if you think gold is going to buy, all right, just tell me in the comment section. And if you think gold is going to sell, okay, you're also correct. Tell me why you think gold is going to buy or gold is going to sell. All right, the MolarGold marks belongs to MolarGold. All right, the MolarGold marks belongs to MolarGold. We have the rights. We have all the rights. We have all the rights because it's ours. All right. Yeah. So every indicator in here belong to Molar Gold. Okay, so that is it. Dr. Molar, you can see that is me. Molar Gold Classic, Dr. Molar. Oh, okay, they've not changed this one, but this also belongs to Dr. Molar, right? We just made it yesterday. This also belongs to, okay, this one was for my previous um, programmer, so he signed it, but all of these indicators belong to us, right? It belongs to us, all right? We program our own indicators and we use them, okay? Okay, guys, that is that for today. If you are coming in late, sorry. By the way, my name is Dr.